Filling out your W-9 should be one of the first things you do when setting up your account. Without a W-9, you may not be able to access the details of an order you've been assigned to, and companies may not be able to issue you payment. To fill out your W-9, log into your Snapdocs account and click on Credentials in the left-hand column. If you haven't yet filled out a W-9, it will be listed on the right side of your credentials page under the Missing Credentials section. If the W-9 form isn't currently shown in the middle of the page, then click on the W-9 form link to bring up the form. There's no need to upload a W-9. Instead, simply fill out the form we provide. You'll need to fill in your name, your company name if you have one and would like payments to be made out to your company name, your street address, city, state, and zip code, and your tax classification. Then fill in either your Social Security number or your tax ID. Here I'm going to just fill in a Social Security number. And lastly, sign the W-9 by drawing your signature. If you're on a computer, just left-click your mouse and drag it to draw your signature. If you're on a touchscreen-enabled device, simply touch your finger to the screen and sign your name in the field. Once you're done, click Save. If your W-9 has been successfully filled out, a confirmation will appear. If you ever need to update your W-9, or if you'd simply like to redo it, locate the W-9 on your credentials page. Then click the Manage button by your W-9 and select the Delete Document option. That will delete your existing W-9, and you can then generate a new W-9 by filling out the form again.